Hello my dear students, I am Sahin currently studying MBBS from College of Medicine and JNA Hospital, Kalyani. So today we will discuss about what? We will discuss about FLT 10, Zoology section. So first starting with the question number 136. It is a very good question as it seems that it is saying that select the dioecious animal. We have figures or diagrams of there are some animals. So here we need to select that which one of his dioecious animals. The first one is given fasciola. So fasciola is monoecious. Then what is that? B. B here is, as you can see, identifying this. So it is a male ascaris. So it is a dioecious. Okay, male ascaris is dioecious. And C is locust. So it is also dioecious. D here is sacroglossas is dioecious. E here is hippocampus. It is dioecious. And F is cobra. Cobra is also dioecious. So looking into the options, you can see that we have 5 dioecious animals in the first question. So first option will be your correct answer. Then question number 137. It is saying that select the correct statement for superclass Pisces. Okay, so you need to select the correct statement for superclass Pisces. In Chondrichthyes, claspers are present in male. Okay, in Chondrichthyes, the clasper are present in male is a correct statement. And air bladder regulates buoyancy in Osteichthyes. Yeah, air bladder present in Osteichthyes, and what is the function of air bladder? It regulates the buoyancy so that it don't get like, okay, it don't get sink. That's the actual the thing. Okay, this is the correct thing. Then it is saying that heart is usually 2 chambered but 3 chambered in frog. Okay, so it is saying heart is usually 2 chambered but 3 chambered in frog. Is it correct? No, heart is 2 chambered, so not correct. Then members of Pisces are called true fish. Member of Pisces are definitely true fish. So which of the correct? A, B, D and correct. So that's why our first statement will be your first option will be your correct answer. Then question number 138. Assertion is then question. Assertion is given that the members of class Mammalia are found in very limited habitats. The members of class Mammalia are found in very limited habitats. Is it correct? The members are found in almost all habitat. So it is not correct. You can see Mammalia in every habitat. Okay. And reason is given. The member of class Mammalia are found in polar ice caves, desert, mountain, forest, grassland and dark caves. It is correct. The first statement or assertion is itself contrasting the reason. So here what will be your answer? Our answer will be that assertion is not correct, but reason is definitely correct. Easiest question. Assertion reason when gets tough when both statements are correct. You need to select that whether reason is explaining the assertion or not. That's when it gets correct. When one is wrong, then it's just the easiest question. Okay. So don't avoid assertion reason question. Might be there could be a twist in this question. So that's why always read the question at first. When you are, because I have told you in my videos that while you are doing the biology paper, in the first go, you don't need to answer all the questions. In the first go, out of 90 questions, you can answer 80 questions and just keep a mark there. Okay, so when I will revisit, I have to do this question. So while you are revisiting, then you need to think. And when you will revisit, when you have time. If you don't have time, then just do other questions which will get you marks. Okay, don't get affected ki, okay, I am not, why I can't do this question. If you keep doing this, then there will be no use. Because at the end of the day, you will getting the negative marks. And if you are getting more negative marks, more than 10 negative marks, then you are reducing 50 marks of yours. So chance of getting a government college drops to 0. So you have to be very conscious because competition is increasing day by day. And this year also you will see 25 lakh more aspirants appearing for the same 40-50,000 government seats. So you have to be very careful while answering the questions. Okay, let's go with the paper. Then question 139, it is saying that select the correct statement for mesoglia. So what is the correct statement for mesoglia? It is undifferentiated layer. It is undifferentiated layer, correct. It is present between ectoderm and endoderm. It is present between ectoderm and endoderm, correct. Then it is a feature of phylum Platyhelminthes. Is it a feature of phylum Platyhelminthes? No. It is a feature of phylum Coelenterata. So second, the last statement is correct, but the C statement is not correct. So second option A, B, D will be your correct answer. Then question number 140. It is saying that in this technique, the semen collected from either donor, from a husband or a healthy donor it artificially induced either into the vagina or into the uterus of the female. So what is this called? That is definitely is your intrauterine insemination. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 141. This kind of thing are written in NCERT. Okay. If you can't do this question, I don't know. God bless you this time, because only 20 days or 25 days are remaining for NEET. So if you still can't do this question, then God bless you. Okay. So Mammalia is chordata. Insecta is arthropoda. Then dicot is definitely your angiosperm. And what lastly we have monocot is also angiosperm. Okay. So monocot is not gymnosperm, monocot is angiosperm. So what it is saying? Select the correct match. So you have the correct match as the only, this is the C1 is the correct match, I guess. C is the correct match only. C. Only C. Second option is your correct answer. Then question number 142. It is saying that select the correct option for cockroach parts and their total numbers. Wow, this is a very good question. Labrum plus hypopharynx plus mandible is 4. Is it correct? Definitely it is correct. Then labrum plus labium plus maxilla is 5. So labrum plus labium plus maxilla is 5. No, it should be 4. Okay, it should be 4. 1 1 and 2. Okay, what 2 1 1, maybe what. Then C, here it is mandible plus hypopharynx plus labium is 4. It is correct. Then maxilla plus labium plus mandible is 5. It is correct. Okay. So what will be your correct answer? Correct answer will be A, B. No, B is not there. B is incorrect. So A, C, D. Third option is your correct answer. It's a very good question. Then question number 143. It is saying that gizzard has outer layer of thick circular muscle and thick inner cuticle forming dash called teeth. So gizzard has outer layer of thick circular muscle and thick inner cuticle forming 6 highly chitinous plates. So first option is your correct answer. Then it is saying that 144. What is the range of molecular weights of biomicromolecule? That is your 18 to 800 daltons. So first option is your correct answer. Micromolecules. Read the question carefully. Otherwise you can do wrong. So next question number 145. Wow, what is a very good question. It is saying that select the correct match. Amino acid and R group is given. There R group. So glycine. So in glycine we have hydrogen as their R group. In alanine has a methyl group. Then serine, what serine has? Serine has your hydroxymethyl group. And alanine has isopropyl group. So correct match, all are correct. All are correct, I guess. A methyl group, alanine, then serine hydroxyl group, alanine isopropyl group. So this is alanine isopropyl group. No, so this is not correct. So correct one is your ABC. So first option is your correct answer. Then question number 146. Isopropyl is not correct. Okay. So question number 146. In which of the following compound nitrogen atom is present? Nitrogen atom is present ribose, lecithin, purine, palmitic acid or adenylate acid. So the following compound in which nitrogen is present, in lecithin nitrogen is present, in purine nitrogen is present, in adenylate acid nitrogen is present. So in palmitic acid and ribose there is no nitrogen present. So B, C, E, first option is your correct answer. Then question number 147. It is saying that statement first, enzymes are divided into 6 classes with 4 to 13 subclasses and named accordingly by a 4-digit number. Okay, this is the correct statement. The statement 2, cofactor play a crucial role in the catalytic activities of enzyme. Absolutely correct. So both statements are correct. So that's why fourth option will be your correct answer. Then question number 148, which is again assertion reason question. So read the question carefully and see if it's correct or not. Assertion is saying that polymerase chain reaction used in DNA amplification, correct. The amplicillin resistant gene is used as a selectable marker to check transformation in the light of the above statement. Okay, so the ampicillin resistant gene is used as a selectable marker to check transformation. Absolutely correct. Okay, so now you put a because here. Now read the question once again. That polymerase chain reaction is used in DNA amplification because the ampicillin resistant gene is used. I mean, there is nothing, there is no relatable thing. So this is easy. Both assertion reason are correct, but reason is not the correct expression of the assertion. The first option is your correct answer. Okay. Then question number 149. 149, it is saying that, I think this question came in the previous paper also. So you need to do this question. This question can come in NEET 2025. So it is saying that main steps in the formation of recombinant DNA are given below. So you have the steps and you can just see that how this will be going. So first step will be the cutting of DNA at a specific location by the restriction enzyme. Then what it will be? Then it will be isolation of the desired DNA fragment. Then after that, amplification of the gene of interest using PCR. And lastly, it has the insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. So your correct answer will be option number 3rd. Easy peasy. Then question number 150. So which of the following is not a cloning vector? So which of the following is not a cloning vector? PVR322 probe back yak. So this probe is not a cloning vector. How come this could be a cloning vector? So it is a single stranded RNA or DNA. So second option is your correct answer. Then question number 151. It is saying that following are the steps involved in the process of PCR. Choose the correct sequence of steps of PCR from the options given below. So we have first option is your treatment. Oh, sorry, definitely not. First option is your step first, that is your denaturation. Denaturation is your C, denaturation. Then what we have? Then we have annealing. Then we have D, treatment with Taq polymerase and deoxyribonucleotides. Then we have extension. Then we lastly have the amplification million times. So first option is the correct answer. Okay. Then question number what? 152. It is saying that which of the following are fused in somatic hybridization involve two varieties of plant: somatic embryo, protoplast, pollens or callus. So basically protoplast are fused in somatic hybridization involve two varieties of plants. So what is your correct answer? Protoplast. Second option is your correct answer. And then question number 153. Again match the following type question. So match list with list 2. Alpha 1 antitrypsin, it will be matched with emphysema. Cry1AB, Cry1AB is your definitely corn borer, and Cry1AC is your cotton bollworm. And enzyme replacement therapy or gene therapy is also definitely with adenosine deaminase deficiency, that is your gene therapy. So second option is your correct answer. Then question number 154. It is saying that important objective of biotechnology in agriculture to produce pest resistant varieties of plant. Okay, increase nitrogen content of plant. What we will get if we increase the nitrogen content of the plant? Nothing. So decrease the seed number, definitely that could not be a good use of science. Increase the plant rate, this is also definitely not the use of biotechnology. So what is the use of biotechnology? That is the producing pest resistant varieties of plant. The first option is your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 155. 155. So it is also assertion is a question, as you can see. So assertion here telling is that some ethical standards are required to evaluate the morality morality of scientific human activities that might help or harm living organism. Absolutely correct. Then reason is given that genetic engineering approval committee make decisions regarding the validity of GM research and the safety of introducing GM organisms for public services. So both are correct. So if we put up because here, both the things are interlinking with each other. So reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. That's why first option is your correct answer. Then your question number 156. It is saying that statement first, the coagulum is formed of network threads called thrombin. So this is not correct. The coagulum is formed of a network of threads called what? Fibrin. Not correct. Then it is saying that spleen is the graveyard of RBC, erythrocyte. It is correct. So statement first is correct, but incorrect. The statement second is correct. So your third option correct answer. Then question number 157, it is saying that following are the stages of pathway for condition of the action potential through the heart. So if we make a just schematic heart, now we will make like this. Okay. So it is like this. Okay. First of all, where it will come? So firstly, tell me. You will solve this. First, it is SA node. Then your what? Then tell me. Then it is what? It is an AV node. After that, it is not definitely your bundle branches of Purkinje fiber. It is AV bundle. So after AV bundle, where it will come? It will come to your bundle branches, and lastly it will go to the ventricular side Purkinje fiber. So it is like this. Okay. So correct answer is option number 4. This is a easy question, but you need to be careful. Then question number 158. It is saying that use of an artificial kidney during hemodialysis may result in. This question came in AIMS paper. Okay, this question is a good question also. The nitrogenous waste build up in the body. Okay, good. Then non-elimination of excess potassium ions, reduced absorption of calcium ions from GI tract, or reduced RBC production. So if we using artificial kidney during hemodialysis, that may result in what? That may result in reduced absorption of calcium ion, okay, from the GI tract, and reduced RBC production. Okay, you know that the kidney does erythropoiesis, but artificial kidney can't do that. So third option is your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 159, and let's see what it is saying. Again, assertion is a great question. It is saying that assertion, nephrons are of two types, cortical and juxtamedullary, based on the relative position in cortex and medulla. It is absolutely correct. Then it is saying that juxtamedullary nephrons have short loop of Henle. No, juxtamedullary nephrons have long loop of Henle. That's why it is saying that juxtamedullary goes deep into the medulla. So if they goes deep into the medulla, they definitely have a long loop of Henle, and this is the vice versa. So assertion is true, but reason is false. So first option definitely is your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 160. Which of the following are autoimmune disorder? This is a good question. I will consider this is a good question. This question is a very good question actually, because this question you will get this name in your second year of MBBS pathology. Okay, microbiology also. So 160. So here autoimmune disorder are myasthenia gravis, autoimmune disorder, rheumatoid arthritis, autoimmune disorder, gout is autoimmune disorder. No, gout is not an autoimmune disorder. Muscular dystrophy is not an autoimmune disorder. The systemic lupus erythematosus is definitely a autoimmune disorder. So if this is not in your NCERT, but you can count this on through eliminating the options. So first option is your correct answer. Then question number 161. Okay, so one thing I also need to tell, that out of 90 question, out of 90 question, you have to, I am writing here, out of 90 question, you maybe know the answer of 85. There will be 5 questions which you may be or may not know. So what you will do this question? So if you have read the concept, if you do this, you can just eliminate the options through applying proper logic. Don't go blindly. Apply proper logic and you can do this. This is very easy. It is also effective because this can increase your rank from like 2000 to 2 digit or 3 digit rank. So it helps. Then question number 161. Select the correct statement regarding mechanism of muscle contraction. So you all know the mechanism of muscle contraction. So let's see what it is saying. It is initiated by a signal sent by CNS via sensory neuron. Is it correct? It is initiated by signal sensory neuron. No, sensory neuron is not. It should be motor neuron. The neurotransmitter generates the action potential in sarcolemma. Correct. Then increased calcium level lead to the binding of calcium with troponin on actin filament. Correct. Then masking of active sites of actin is activated. No, not correct. Neutralizing the energy from ATP hydrolysis to form cross bridge. Absolutely correct. So B, C, E, first option, correct answer. Then question number 162. So given below the two statements, statement first, parathyroid hormones acts on bones and stimulate the process of bone resorption. So it is correct that parathyroid hormone acts on bone, parathyroid, PTH. The statement 2 is saying that parathyroid hormones along with TCT, thyrocalcitonin, plays a significant role in carbohydrate metabolism. No, what the hell? It should be in calcium metabolism. So not correct. So statement first is correct, but statement second is false. First option is your correct answer. Then question number 163. 163. It is saying that which of the following are not under the control of thyroid hormone. So which of the following is not control of thyroid hormone? First option, maintenance of water and electrolyte balance under thyroid hormone. Okay, good. Then regulation of basal metabolic rate. Okay, good. It is also control of thyroid hormone. The normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. This is pineal gland. Not correct. Definitely not correct. And development of immune system is lymphocyte. Okay, so this is also not correct. So support the process of RBC formation, thyroid, correct. So not under thyroid control. It is C and D. First option is your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 164. It is saying that venereal disease can spread through. First, tell me what you mean by venereal disease. Venereal disease means those diseases which transmitted sexual contact, through sexual contact. Sexually transmitted diseases are called as venereal disease in another language. Okay, so venereal disease can spread through using sterile needle. This question came in NEET actually, I guess. NEET 2021. Okay, during my time, I guess. Maybe this kind of similar question. Using sterile needles, how can you, if you put sterile needles, how can you will get STD? So this is not correct. Transmission of blood from infected person, absolutely correct. Infected mother to fetus, yeah. Infected mother to fetus can be. Kissing, no. Inheritance, no. So, venereal disease can spread through B and C only. Second option is your correct answer. Then question number 165. Given below are statements, one is assertion and one is reason. So, assertion is given what? Assertion is given that amniocentesis for sex determination is one of the strategies of reproductive and child healthcare program. No. This is not amniocentesis for sex determination is banned in India. How can you that lead to female feticide? How can that could be a strategy of a good program, RCH program? Okay, so you will get this RCH program in your PSM lectures or PSM field visit. Okay. Then question number, reason, ban on amniocentesis checks increasing the menace of female feticide. Absolutely correct. So assertion is false, but reason is true. Second option will be your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 166. This paper is very easy. I mean, all papers are easy if you read carefully. You can get 360 in every paper. Lipid contains greater proportion of oxygen than in carbohydrate. Okay. No oxygen. Equal amounts, equal oxygen in comparison to carbohydrate, no. Less oxygen than, less oxygen than carbohydrates, absolutely correct. A lipid contains less oxygen than carbohydrates. You can see the formula here. Then question number, I don't know why this is going like this. When I am touching this, it gets something like that. Okay. I don't know. Some problem with this. Then question number 167. Given below are the two statements. Statement first, evolution by natural selection in true sense would have started when cellular forms of life with difference in metabolic capability originated on the earth. This statement directly came from NCERT. Okay, so this is a correct statement. And then statement second is saying that when more than one adaptive radiation appears to have occurred in an isolated geographical area representing different habitat, one can call this convergent evolution. Both are correct statements. This statement is also correct. So fourth option is your correct answer. So if you try to tell me that please explain, so I don't need to explain anything, explain here. This is just 25 tricks from NEET and I am just telling you that this is totally from NCERT. Both the lines, nothing or not a word has been misplaced. Okay. So you have to do this. I will explain the ones which you can't understand, which are difficult. These are directly from NCERT. Why I will explain this question if I would have started from the first, like initially, when you are starting from like what can I say, July, August. At that time, I would have explained very carefully that because you are understanding the concept then. Now you are not understanding the concept. If you are still understanding the concept, then you are not revising. If you are not revising, I don't know what you have done this year so far. So you have to do with that. Okay. Sorry for being rude, but this will definitely help you. Okay. So in human male reproductive system, secretion of which gland constitutes the seminal plasma? Seminal plasma constitutes seminal plasma. Paired seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland. Paired seminal vesicle. Prostate is not paired. Okay, not correct. Paired seminal vesicle, a prostate and a bulbourethral gland. No, this is also not correct. Bulbourethral gland is paired. A seminal vesicle, no, seminal vesicle is paired. So this last one is correct. Fourth option. This is a good question. This is just telling you if you know the numbers or not. Then question number 169. It is saying that in life cycle of Plasmodium, the gametocytes are developed in RBC of human. Yeah, in life cycle of Plasmodium, the gametocytes are developed in RBC of humans. The first option definitely is the correct answer. You don't need to look others. Then question number 170. It is saying that statement first, treatment of AIDS with antiretroviral drug is only partially effective. Correct, absolutely correct. If you got AIDS or anyone got AIDS, the death is inevitable. Well, with antiretroviral therapy, you can delay the death by 5, 10 or 15 years, not more than that. The statement second, there is no time lag between the infection and appearance of the AIDS symptom. There is definitely some time lag. Okay, there is a lot of time lag, 5 to 10 years or more than that. So statement first is correct, but statement second is incorrect. Second option is your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 171. It is saying that which statement is true? A. In blood, CO2 comparatively diffuse easily because of its high solubility. Is it correct? Yeah, it is correct. Then, approximately 18 to 19% of CO2 is transported by plasma. Okay, so this is not correct. Only 7% is of CO2 is transported by plasma. Not correct. CO2 diffuses into blood, passes into RBCs and reacts with H2O to form H2CO3. Correct. And chloride ions diffuse from plasma into RBCs to maintain ionic balance. Correct. So A, C, D. Second option correct answer. Question number 172. Inspiration can occur if, suppose, let me see, make you see, like, okay, this is inspiration, this is expiration. How I am doing this inspiration? So when the inspiration can happen? So when inspiration can happen, so when the intrapulmonary pressure is low, air goes from high pressure to low pressure. So when my pulmonary pressure is low and atmospheric pressure is high, then air can go inside, and vice versa in expiration. So intrapulmonary pressure is less than the atmospheric pressure. So first option is your correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 173. It is saying that select the correct statements for cockroach and frog. In both the number of testes are same. So in both the number of testes are same. Is it correct or not? Tell me. Is it correct or not? Yeah, it is absolutely correct. Then the chambers of heart in frog is greater than cockroach. Not correct. In both development is indirect. Correct. Then in both circulatory system is open. Correct. The number of excretory organ is greater in cockroach than frog. Not correct. So correct answer is A, C, D. A, C, E. Sorry. A, C. One second. In frog, circulatory system is closed. I am really sorry. Then this is correct one. The number of excretory organs, I have just mistaken this. I have not seen the question carefully. And the number of excretory organ is greater in cockroach than frog. Absolutely correct. Okay. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 174. It is saying that second meiotic division of secondary oocyte result in 2 equal size ovum, 2 second polar body, 1 ovum and 1 second polar body, 1 ovum and 1 first polar bodies. So second meiotic division of secondary oocyte result in 1 ovum and 1 secondary polar body. Third option correct answer. Next question number 175. So first statement is saying that, statement based question, human heart consists of only epithelial, connective and muscular tissues. Human heart consists of epithelial, connective, muscular along with neural tissue as well. So not correct. Then in connective tissue, fiber provide strength, elasticity and flexibility. In connective tissue, fiber provide strength, elasticity and flexibility. So it is a correct statement. So statement first is incorrect, but statement second is correct. Third option is your correct answer. Then question number 176. It is saying that the cerebral hemisphere are connected by a tract of nerve fiber that is called corpus luteum. No, definitely not. Corpus callosum, absolutely correct. Hypothalamus, limbic lobe. No, so corpus callosum is that tract. So second option is your correct answer. Then question number 177. It is saying that the spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa by the process called spermiogenesis, spermiation, encystation or sporulation. So this is your spermiogenesis. So first option is your correct answer. Then question number 178. It is saying that match the following type. So oxytocin is milk ejection, glucagon is your glycogenolysis, insulin is your glycogenesis, estrogen regulate female sexual behavior. So first option is your easy peasy correct answer. Then question number 179. It is saying that the seaweeds and few plants existed probably around 320 million years ago. Second option is your correct answer. And lastly, we have select the correct one. Jurassic, Cenozoic era. Jurassic is in Mesozoic era. Cretaceous is in Mesozoic era. Devonian is in Paleozoic era. And Quaternary is in your Cenozoic era. So third option is your correct answer. So this concludes the explanation part of your zoology for FLT 10. I hope you understand. Keep working hard, keep studying hard. You are going to do it. Thank you.